I love to talk about the immersion course by Bonnie Christine because it has been the most transformative course I have ever taken. There's something about the sheer simplicity, Bonnie's nurturing spirit, and the content in that course that has summoned me to new things I actually didn't think was possible for quite a while. After taking the course, I quit my day job. I've become a full-time creative, which was my dream for a very long time, and I've never looked back. Immersion gave me the confidence that I needed to take those leaps and do things that I didn't even think I was ready for. So thank you, Bonnie. Thank you, Immersion team. And here's to the future.